Understanding variable scope in programming.
Variable scope determines where in your code a variable is accessible. It affects how data is stored, used, and protected. There are typically two main types: local scope and global scope. Knowing the difference is essential for writing safe and efficient code, avoiding bugs, and maintaining clarity in your programs.
What are local variables?
A local variable is created inside a function or block and only exists within that specific place. Other parts of your program can't access it directly. This helps prevent accidental changes from outside the function and keeps the variable's purpose clear and limited to where it's needed.
Global variables, accessible everywhere.
Global variables are defined outside of all functions, making them accessible from any part of your code. While convenient for sharing data, using them too much can make programs harder to debug, since changes can happen from any location in the code.
How functions interact with scope.
Functions can both use and change local and global variables, but with some rules. Inside a function, assigning a variable creates a local one, unless the variable is explicitly declared as global. This means unintentional changes to a global variable can be avoided by default, unless you specify otherwise.
Best practices for using scope.
To keep your code clear and maintainable, use local variables whenever possible. Reserve global variables for truly shared data. Always be mindful of variable names and avoid reusing global names in local contexts, as this can lead to confusing and hard-to-find bugs.